Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a charge at the Supercharger here in Florence, and I noticed that I didn't get the update yet. There's supposed to be a 2024.2.3 update coming out that has a bunch of new features, so I can wait to install it and check them out. So we'll do a charge and maybe we'll do some talk about this update and see what's new. Okay, so let's go. So I'm at the Supercharger, which is in a weird location. Not sure why it didn't tell me how many stalls are empty. Anyway, this is the location where I have to go to charge. It's crazy. It's behind the hotel, but the access is just crazy stupid. Okay, there is only one car. Nice. Very good. So should be fast. Okay. Let me put you here. And here it's the Tesla Vision. Nice. And it should stop because there are some. There is. And we stop. Nice. Let's remove the. Let's go to charging. And we are at 30%. We charge up to 85%. And let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. We got blue. And come on, green. Cool. It's charging. Let's see how much it's charging. What speed? 87, 109, 120, 130, 135. Yeah, I don't know why here it doesn't charge faster than that. Anyway, it's charging 135 kilowatts, and the charge is the price is 0.46 euros per kilowatt hour. I'm at 30%. I'll stop at 85. So let's charge some bit. I'm going to do some work, and then maybe we do a talk about the changes that the upcoming changes for the software update. I'll see you in a bit. So let's talk about the upcoming software update. So I'm checking the not a Tesla app.com site, which has all the information about the software updates, all the releases and the features and undocumented changes, and it's really good. So right now, there is the latest software update that's supposed to come is 2024.2.3, okay? And it's basically the first software update with the 2024 label, okay? If we click on it, here I'm going to the site. So there are some release notes, which is good, finally. Okay, so as usual, software updates are geographic located in a sense that some feature might not be available everywhere. Okay, so 911 calls are available in the US, not in Europe or other places. So that's the point. So the first feature is an ultra wideband phone key. So this is available worldwide, and it's ultra wideband technology is now available phone keys. So your vehicle and the phone key can communicate with greater accuracy, more responsively, unlock, and open automatic door. In the Tesla app, choose phone key upgrade and follow the instruction. After setup, keep up the iPhone settings. I guess this is for iPhone only, not sure. Anyway. Oh, this is another feature. Remind to plug in at home. So if you're below a certain percentage of the battery charge, it will remind you on the app, I guess, to charge. So you'll now receive a reminder on your phone to plug in your vehicle when you park at home with less than half of your charge limit. To receive this notification, you must have your home location set and have charged there previously. Okay, so it remembers. Your vehicle location is not shared with Tesla. Then improved ride and handling. It's good, available worldwide. Get a more consistent response on different road surface and greater comfort on rough winding pavement in sport mode or when custom ride and handling is set to focused. Also, expect reduced pitch and body roll in off-road mode. In your vehicle setting, go to Dynamics to choose your drive mode. Pretty good. Looking forward to this. I have a performance, so it's a bit stiff. And then there is a over-the-air recall. That's the stupid recall for icons font size. So over-the-air telltale text size. This is available, I think it's in the US, not in Europe. So as a remedy of the US recall 24V-051, this update to your vehicle software increases the text size of 3 telltales, brake, ABS, and park. The font will be a bit bigger. The stupid recall, I don't know. After installing this vehicle software update, you don't need to take any further action for the recall, okay? And this is the cool one, adaptive high beam. Finally, as you know, most I think Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. I don't know if the older ones, but the new ones, and mine has it. Basically, the matrix lights. So the high beam now adjusts to reduce glare for other drivers and cyclists by detecting other user on the road, and circularly dimming individual pixels of the headlights. The high beams can remain on longer, enable better visibility at night. So to turn on the lighting, adaptive high beams in your vehicle settings. So in the lights, you go to adaptive high beam in the settings, okay? Pretty good. This addition is currently only for the new Model 3 and does not add support to metric lights on other vehicles. Oh. Okay, so looks like that they were only for the new Model 3 Highland, but it says, however, new documents in Europe reveal that the matrix highlight support is coming in the future update in some regions. Some people already did. So more efficient charging. Your vehicle now adjusts to the power level of each DC charging station, which is good. No battery preconditioning when you are navigating to a charger, and then charging can be more efficient. Oh, finally, good. Security improvements. This update includes important security fixes improvements. Okay. Unlock button. To make it easier to unlock the vehicle for others, Tesla has added a contextual unlock button that appears in certain situation. I think I already have it, but we'll see. In the meantime, I'm already at 51% and still charging 112, 110 kilowatts. Good. If the vehicle is locked and there is someone inside the vehicle, an unlock button will now appear when someone tries to open the vehicle from the outside. Okay. And then there is the trip menu redesign. So they changed some, let's see, here. Yeah, here in the trip menu, they change a bit the UI, which is not bad. Updating the UI is always good. So Tesla has redesigned the trip menu under control trips. The new design feature reset button directly next to the trip meter. Okay, instead of all the way at the bottom. That makes sense. So if there is a trip on the line, then there is the reset button. Makes sense. The show in the trip car is now aligned with right to the same row, allowing all the trip meters fit on the screen without any scroll. Each meter is now easy to read at a glance as well. The details for each trip meter are now grouped in a darker gray color. Okay, UI improvements. That's good. And then all the app menus. So when you go to the app menus here, it will show you all the apps that are not listed here. Instead, now they're going to show every app, even included the one that are on the, let's say, the small dashboard or whatever. So all the apps menu will now display all the apps available, even if they are docked at the bottom of the display. Previous menu would only appear apps. Okay. And then there is additional vehicle information. So it will tell you more information in the vehicle info panel. So the additional vehicle information menu under control software will now display if your vehicle is capable of third-party NACS DC charging. Okay. It sounds like not all vehicles may not be capable of charging all feature third-party NACS DC charger. Okay. And then we'll get the software version in-app. With this update, the vehicle software version displayed in the app will also display additional information. That probably in the mobile app. Tesla was recently added a software version, hash, to the software version at the bottom of the app. And with this update, they also display the vehicle software version number, such as V11.1 or V12, the upcoming V12, as part of the vehicle field. Pretty good. And then that's it. So there are several new features in the software update, the upcoming one. Hopefully the matrix lights are in, because we have the hardware, we just need the software update. The the Model 3 Highland will get it for sure. Hopefully the other models will have it too. Anyway, this is just the information about it. Hopefully I'll get the update soon, probably in the next few days, because many people are getting it. Here it says, for example, the previous version, 2024.2.2.1, 29% of the car got it. So hopefully we'll get in the next few days. I received an update so on the phone, so usually that's what it means. Anyway, so we are almost at 60%. And charge is still at 91 kilowatts, which is good. And the session cost now is 12 euros. Okay. So just a bit more and we're almost done. So I'll see you in a bit. So we're almost done. We are at 84%. Should stop at 85. Still charging at 41 kilowatt. We added 47 kilowatts hour to the battery. Charge session is 21 euros. Yeah, that's it. It started to rain. So everything went well. Let's see if it's laptops. That's it, complete. Let's go. Let me actually unplug here, unlock the port, and that's it. Close the door, and we can go. Very good. So the session went well. Charging went well. There's nobody. The only thing is that when I put in the navigation to come here, it didn't mention how many people were still charging. I thought it was one of the feature, one of the updates. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. Please use it if you buy a Tesla or if you do a test drive. It will help me a lot. Also, you get 3 months of free FSD, I think, still. And I have the links about the accessories that I install on my Tesla Model Y, so check them out. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.